Okay, now it's the reveal video. So it's been a week, well less than that. So I've started the last video, the before video was done, yeah, a few days before. But on Tuesday, got everything ready for decorating. Decorated it Tuesday, brought the wood and cut the wood on Wednesday. Built the footstool on Thursday. Had my book launch, The Acting President, on Friday, so I didn't do a thing. And then Saturday picked up some stuff from IKEA, built stuff, and we've just put up the mirrors on Sunday, but we're done. So this is it, and I'll do it from the front door to get the full effect. So come in, it's painted, and then on this side here we are we got the mirrors. So we designed to get the reflection from the lounge, so it's like gives us some light. We've got our chair stand, so we can sit on here, three of us can get on, room for lots of shoes. This great storage unit. I'll shut the front door, and obviously could I have a plant, and it's great that the plant gets reflected here. Something for our keys, and then yeah, we've got these. So these are the solutions to what we used to have in the corner, which we've got really messy. And then coats and stuff will come around the back here, and of course these are accessible from both sides. So yeah, it's quite a change, but it feels really comfortable. It's a great addition and a fantastic end to project 2. And yeah, so after project 1, which you can see the video and everything on YouTube if you've not already seen that. That was the taking on the girls' bedroom. This is project 2, which is the entrance hall, which was a shorter one, going to be project 3. This is going to be a huge one, and that will be the whole lounge kitchen area. So that'll be great. But this is, yeah, just a really comfortable, lovely feel finished to this project. And really, as we come out of quarantine, we really hope that as we have guests around again, it will just, you know, coming into this home will just feel that little bit different, a little bit special, and yeah, so I'm happy. It's, yeah, I'm fantastic to get it done in a week. Obviously, even just a fresh coat of paint on all the walls is great, but yeah, this just tops it all off. So, and I'm just noticing that even now the reflection in the mirrors on that wall, so it just gives it some great colours, great lines. So yeah, this is it. Thank you for following. Do comment if it's inspired you to do anything. So again, it's a combination of building stuff from scratch. So this was bespoke, kind of, I thought it out, designed it, and then this is IKEA, and it's a combination of the two. So yeah, great, and keep following, and I will be back for the grand project 3. All right, bye.